Hello and welcome to Open Source Living, and welcome to this new series of WordPress theme reviews, entirely done by Screencast. I'm using the excellent Screenomatic.com, a free service that allows you to record screencasts online with a computer and a microphone. What I want to do in this series is to draw your attention to new theme releases that I think have some special qualities. There are so many themes released on the web every day that it's pretty difficult to find out where to begin in terms of choosing a new theme for your site. So part of the reason in doing this is to make that process a little bit more easy, a little bit more fun and interactive. And the first theme that I've chosen for this series is by a company called ThemeTrust. And we'll just go to their website. Here we are, ThemeTrust. themetrust.com, and they've just released a new theme called Solo. Now Solo is a single page portfolio theme, and this is a new form factor that's becoming very popular on the web, whereby you're presented with a single page, and often using jQuery scrolling techniques you jump from segment to segment, and so the page is more accessible and easy to use. Usually this type of theme works well for a small company or an individual page to highlight areas of your work and add a little bit of information about yourself or your company, your location, perhaps some members of your staff, your team, but crucially it all focuses on your projects, on your work. And these themes tend to be very visual, and Solo is no different. Before we get into the demo, let's have a look at some of the features. You'll notice straight away that it's a paid theme and it's currently retailing at $49. Some of the features include the jQuery image sliders, which allows you to create a gallery of sliding images. We'll see how that works in a minute. A portfolio template to arrange your products or your content or your work. The ability to change the color scheme of the template, to integrate Flickr, and you'll see there's Twitter integration too. You have the ability to upload a custom logo and to make use of the button shortcodes, which is becoming a staple of WordPress. These are short snippets of code that you insert into your WordPress content, and they bring up different functions. In this case buttons, but it can also work for column layout shortcodes. So that's an overview of the features for Solo. It's pretty simple, but this is a single page theme. Let's have a look at the demo. So here we are on the front page of Solo. There is only one page, as I've said before. The first thing that strikes me is the simplicity of the design. It's a very friendly and welcoming theme. The curves and the circular logo here, and I'm assuming this is the logo that gets changed, that you can upload your own logo and change this one. But these curves and a lot of emphasis on white space. And as I was saying before, this is a portfolio single page theme, and the way it works is that it's cut into segments. So the first segment is obviously our work in this demo version, showcasing the most recent work of this fictitious company. The second section is services, and if we click on the link here, you'll see the jQuery scrolling mechanism at work. So it shifts smoothly from segment to segment. Here, services can be highlighted, and if we click on the next section, which is about, we get some contextual information or space for context about the individual or company this portfolio represents. And here is a nice use of an image as well, creating a really nice and tight section. The last element they've included in the demo is the team, and you see here an example of these columns, these shortcode column layouts. Here it's a column of 2, but I imagine you can add column 3, column 4 column layouts too. And right at the bottom is the footer, and this is a widgetized footer. Here it shows Flickr integration, Twitter integration, and the logo is recalled again. These are 3 widget areas that you can manipulate in your WordPress panel. But let's go back to the top and have a look at this portfolio presentation. This is the main emphasis of the theme. What's really innovative about this particular theme, and what I really like about it more than others that I've seen in the category, is its use again of jQuery sliders here. So if we click on typography, for example, it opens up the element related to typography, including a gallery here. And if we click on the arrows, we can shift the images. And then beneath, again, it's making use of column shortcodes, and again split here into 2 columns, but again this could be a single, 2, 3, or 4 column layout component here. And this is just a very slick and elegant way of showcasing a piece of work. If we close that, it slides back up. We can shift to the next one. And here the example is of a heavy graphic use. And what's great about this is that if you keep scrolling down, you get back to the other entries. So you're never lost in terms of navigation. It's very straightforward. Let's have a look at one more example, this one. And here we see again 3 columns in use and the hyperlinks. What I also like about this, and I said so in the beginning, is its simplicity. Visually it's light and delicate on the eyes, but the emphasis is on the work, and that stands out, and that's very important in a successful portfolio page. All in all, I think this is a great, simple WordPress theme to drive an individual or a small company portfolio site, and in the competition, and there are a growing number of themes in this category. This is by far for me one of the most clean, elegant, slick and functional themes, and I think it pretty much deserves a big thumbs up. And I wanted to bring it to your attention as part of this new WordPress theme review series. So stay tuned for more themes to come. The next themes will probably be a little bit more complex, and so the videos will be slightly longer. But this has been Open Source Living with a new WordPress theme review. Thanks for watching. Bye.